next we have our assignment, and that is page 58 and 59. And we're going to quickly walk through this before I run out of time. On problems 1 through 8, it says solve annex zeros as needed to find a decimal quotient. Okay, annex just means drop them off. Okay, so $6 divided by 4. That's what it says, and it says actually. So $6 divided by 4 people, and what's it going to come up with? So remember that. Go back over our lesson if you forgot or you don't understand or you're confused. Watch it again and again as needed. Okay, it's not that long. Take a look at your notes. Ask a parent or a teacher. Those are your options. You can also ask a friend, but chances are a parent or a teacher are going to steer you in a better direction. Okay, next, write the estimate range. Okay, that's where we just went through estimating, right? It's not an exact science. You're saying, what is the closest number to these? What are the closest two numbers to this problem that they can go into evenly? All right. Write the estimate range. That's number 9 through 12. Number 13 through 16 says solve. Annex zeros as needed. Again, just means drop off the zeros because what you're looking for is mostly going to be 2 to 3 digits after your decimal point. Anything beyond that's probably not needed. Moving on to page 59, we have exercises. Find the equivalent decimal for the fraction. All right, so you're taking the top number and you're dividing the bottom number into it. All right, so 2/4, right? That's 2 divided by 4. And then solve it out. Remember, add in as many zeros as you need to as long as you place your decimal first. That's 17 through 20. 21 through 26 is determine the quotient using estimation. Choose the correct answer. Use multiplication to check your answer. So figure out which one is going to be closest. Just it was the last problem we just did. So 17.6 divided by 2. What is going to be the closest answer you're going to get? Do you think 8 is going to go into 17.6, 88, or 0.88? Which one seems to make the most sense? To double check yourself, multiply 17.6, or no, excuse me, 2 times the answer that you pick, right? Say I pick 88.8, I'm going to multiply that by 2. If I don't get 17.6, it's not the right answer. So just check yourself that way. 27 through 34, or 27 and 28, excuse me, is write the remainder as a fraction. All right, so that is simply finding what your remainder is and then turning that, like if it's 0.25, 1/4, if it's 0.50, 1/2, you shouldn't have, just think of it in money, okay? Look at the problem, think of it as change, and then turn it into nickels and dimes. That makes it the easiest for you as far as fractions go. 29 through 34, which is actually just 32, is just review. Take a good look at that, make sure you don't make any silly mistakes, go over it and look over it again. All right. Again, you're doing problems 1 through 32, even on page 58 and 59. Good luck with that. And as always, message me if you have any questions.